What's up guys, my name is Funkin and today I'm going to make boyfriend from Friday Night Funkin by using a 3D printer K1C printer machine. To use a 3D printer of K1C, use a filament to build the character on 3D machine. To use the machine, you have to use a nozzle to build with this, Reality. I use white filament to build the 3D characters on the Reality machine to build volume. I printed head, arms with a microphone, a shirt, and pants, and legs with shoes, and also right arm in his pocket. After the Reality machine is done, and boyfriend from Friday Night Funkin', it's finished. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1, boom! Like the video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell so you won't miss anything from my videos. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!